Hello, how you doing everybody? It's a beautiful day here Sunday, and welcome to Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking Channel, where we are out here in nature. The most beautiful place to be right now in our garden. It's very peaceful. Mom has done a hell of a job building up this wonderful back area with the chimes and things, and so it's been kind of a nice area to come back here and just hang out. But today we're going to talk a little bit about something a little bit more serious. So we are not immune to droughts either where I'm at. In fact, our city decreed that we were in stage 2 of water conservation. And what that means is we're running low on water. They have alternative sources, but they don't want to tap into those sources because it could cost more money and drain water from other areas. That's the danger sometimes with gardening. I know we talk a lot about inspiration stuff here on this channel, but there's also things that happen such as droughts. And those droughts can be weathered, but it's also not easy. And you also have to look at your town's ordinance or county's ordinance, depending on where you're at. For example, ours allows food producing, which is what we do here. We try to teach everybody to food produce because it's the most important thing. It'll lower your cost in the long run. It's rewarding, and you can listen around here. Hear the birds, everything. It's very peaceful. So, you know, that's one thing that we've had to worry about. Heat has been a major contributor to that and the lack of rain this year. The shade cloth has been one of the most important things. As my mom has done the garden tour in August, the shade cloth has kept everything alive. We've got blackberries growing, we've got tomatoes and peppers growing still like crazy. Things are going good there, but at any time they could go to stage 3, which means nobody's allowed to water. The nurseries, all the garden places in town get shut down. Anything involving water gets shut down. So that even impacts farmers. So it's a very serious thing. But the next video I'm going to show you is ways that you can conserve water. And this is what we're doing here. We water maybe only twice a week now. We do water by hand. We're working on going to get an irrigation system in next year. So this things will be a little bit better. But yeah, like I said, this is not the most happy video. I wish it was better, but given the situation, this is also a reality that'll happen to every gardener out there, and you just have to figure out ways to manage around it. And I think we've done very well. I was debating making this video, to be honest, but this is also the reality of what farmers have to go through. Massive gardeners that produce a lot of food. This is just something that will come up from time to time. Hopefully we'll see some rain coming up soon and a lot of snowfall this winter so we can replenish our water tables. But you know, we'll keep you posted, especially as we progress through this fall, winter, and then preparation for next spring, because we may start the next season under that drought warning, and Mom and I will have to tag team and figure out the best strategies we can do to conserve water, whether it's installing 10, 15 water barrels for rain, and we use that. And there's just different things, and we'll talk about that on the next video. But thoughts and prayers for everybody, and if you are going through a drought too, hey, we understand it, and hang in there. Hopefully we'll get some rain. Anyway, peace.